Grilled portobello mushroom sandwich. Use 2 large portobello mushrooms as your sandwich buns. Start by removing the stems from mushrooms and gently scraping out the gills. Brush each mushroom with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of garlic powder. Grill the mushrooms on a stove top or bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes until tender but still firm. For the filling, use a mix of grilled or cooked assorted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and red onions. Then stack these vegetables inside the mushrooms along with a slice of cheese, fresh tomato slices, red onion rings, and a spoonful of hummus, tahini, or basil pesto. Press together gently and enjoy warm. Cheese or tofu stack. Replace bread with 2 thick slices or blocks of paneer or firm tofu or cheese. Lightly grill or sear the cheese or tofu on both sides until golden brown. Between the slices, layer roasted bell peppers, caramelized onions, spinach, tomatoes, and a generous spread of pesto or spicy yogurt sauce. This sandwich is rich in protein and full of flavor, perfect served warm or at room temperature. For added texture, sprinkle with crushed nuts or seeds before closing the sandwich. Potato sandwich. Take a large potato or sweet potato and boil it whole until fork tender but not falling apart. Slice it in half lengthwise to create the sandwich base. Lightly mash the cut sides with a fork and season with salt and a touch of olive oil or butter. In between, add grilled vegetables like eggplant, mushrooms, and onions, along with a slice of cheddar or Gouda cheese. Add fresh herbs or a spoonful of yogurt chili sauce for extra flavor. Press the halves together and serve warm. These sandwich alternatives are not only filling and flavorful but also versatile, so feel free to mix and match ingredients to suit your taste or dietary goals. Like and subscribe for more low-carb ideas.